to replace the rear wheel of this electric wheelchair. First, tip the wheelchair backwards until it leans over. Take off the protective cover from the rear wheel. Use a 17mm hexagon socket wrench to remove the rear wheel-fixing nut until the wheel works loose. Before installing the new rear wheel, install a washer first. Align it with the groove on the motor's bearing connection shaft and slide the wheel on. Use the wrench to tighten the nut securely. Once the nut is tight, put the protective cover back on. Check if everything is working properly. Then the replacement is complete.